Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 17th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, today in the afternoon I've already solved 3 puzzles. Alright, the first puzzle I will do is a 3-star Sudoku. Well, this is really a 3 stars because this has 25 printed digits, and this will be number 8553. 25. For 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. I see a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above from that row. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. So we need a 2 there. Yep. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the column next, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in the column next, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in the second row should be there. So we have 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. So here need a 2 and then need a 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. Then. Let me see. Need an 8 there. Yes. We have here 4 missing numbers in this row. Second row, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Okay, cannot continue 8. How about the number 99? 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. 5. Well, we have here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now in the last column. So this box can be 5 no more. That box should be a 5. Do we have all the 5s? And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 5. How about the 2? Here we need a 2 and there we need a 2. No, cannot continue. How about 1? Need a 1 there. Need a 4 there. We have a pair here. 4 and a 6 in this column. First column, 4 and a 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left for the 4 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Alright. Then 4, need a 4 there. 4, need a 4 here, and I need a 4 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 in this box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 6, well, we have a 4 now in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there then. Alright. Alright. Need a 4 here. Alright. And now, 2, 2. Okay. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. Yeah. I need 8 there. 8. Need a 1 here, and a 3 there. Need a 3 here, and I need a, well. I'm thinking. I need a 9 here. Ooh, 6, 6. Thinking. 6, 6. Come on. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3 here. And we have a 3 there. 3, need a 3 there. 3 here. Yeah. 9. Need a 9 here. And I need 1, need a 1 here. Need a 9. Come on. 8, need a 8 there. Need 8 here. 8 there. Need 8 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. 1. Need a 7, need a 8. 1, 7, 8, and the 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 6. We have 1 and 6 in this row, so no 1 and 6 in these two boxes. 1 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 6. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In this row, last row, 6 in that row. So the row between the only two places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. That means 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. I need a 1 here. And I need an 8 and a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 8 should be there. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9. 1, 7, 9. Okay. 79. 179. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yeah. 1. 1 and the 7 is missing. Thinking. 2. 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 here. 6, 3, and I need a 6, 3. Need a 4 here. 10 minutes already passed. Well, and I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. 6, 6, 6, 6. Need a 6 here. 2, 3. 3. 4. Need something here. 3, 4. 3, 4. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Well, in this column, we need a 1. Here can be 1. We have 1 in this big square. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. These two boxes can be 9. We have 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here can be 9. We have 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 in the middle column could be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. A 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for 9 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left with 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and then 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 number left in this row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Yeah, the 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. Okay. Well. We got all the numbers in these 3 blocks. All right. So, one of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. That means 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. The other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. Last column. 2 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2. Number 2. We have need a 6 here. And I need a 3. Yeah, we have a pair. The 3 and the 6 in the first row. The 3 and the 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, and now 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. All right. So now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So the other pair in this column, 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 or 8. We have 8 now in this column, so this box should be a 7 then. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between the only place left with the 7 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. The 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Well, here we have a pair in this column. So the other pair in the second column should be the 9 and 3. 9 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this row for number 9. Okay. So we have I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in the first column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Here 1 box left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 7, 7. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And 1 and 7, we have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the last 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Oh! I left the 1 and 8 there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So the 3 and the 8, we have a 3 now in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now it's finishing 17 minutes. Well. 20 to 30 minutes for 3 stars. Is this the 3 stars? Well, let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one here, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.